Innovation is part of our DNA. Komatsu is an indispensable partner to the construction, mining and forestry markets, maximizing value for customers through innovative solutions. Here at Intermat, we showcase how we can have an impact on higher job site efficiency for our customers. Contracts, intelligent machine control, electrification, simulators, smart quarry and smart construction. Together, we tap into the power of data and technology to enhance safety and productivity while optimizing performance.
We have been working very hard to develop software systems which are brand agnostic so that any customer can use them. And really the target, the goal is to make sure that you can use these applications to improve your job site efficiency and safety. So look more to the process instead of just looking to a machine.
Komatsu has recently launched a Smart Quarry Site to assist the quarry industry in improving safety and productivity. With our hardware and software, we provide real-time data and analysis about your fleet and projects, which makes it possible for you to make faster, better and more accurate decisions. It helps you to increase safety and production and reduces operating costs by identifying issues and bottlenecks.
What's the need for you as a customer? If you say, look, I'm looking to productivity and I want to follow up my fleet, I want to do improvements, then we're going to use a few items from Smart Construction. If you say no, as a customer, I'm more focused on what every machine is doing, using data really, like the real fuel consumption and maintenance is a very important item, then we would tend to offer you more solutions coming from Smart Quarry. But it's really a package, and purely depending on what does the customer need, that we will offer the correct solution for him, what's giving him most added value.
We also have a branch of solutions to improve operator skills. With our simulators, we can prepare them to act and react in difficult or hazardous conditions. And we can teach them how to use the machine in a better and more economical way. With the Operator Guidance Monitor, we provide onboard live data to the operator about payload, about fuel efficiency, and about productivity. With real-time feedback, we both challenge and support them. Join us in embracing the digitalisation of the job site. Komatsu is not just a manufacturer, we are your partner in progress.